I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen using Lucky Me full guide. Start by gathering 1 packet of Lucky Me, 2 cups water, and simple toppings. Boil the water gently while you chop scallions and beat an egg if using. Follow package timing, but taste as you go to adjust salt and seasoning. I'll walk you through stovetop and upgraded versions so your bowl tastes fresh and satisfying every time. For the basic stovetop method, boil 2 cups of water and add the Lucky Me noodles, separating them gently. Cook for the time listed on the packet, usually about 3 minutes, and stir occasionally to prevent clumping. Add the seasoning packet toward the end so flavors stay bright, then taste and adjust with a dash of soy sauce or pepper. Garnish with scallions or a soft boiled egg for an easy upgrade. To elevate your bowl, add a soft boiled egg and toss in quick-cooking vegetables like spinach or corn during the final minute. A splash of soy sauce or a few drops of chili oil gives depth and a pleasant kick without overpowering the base. You can also finish with sesame seeds or a squeeze of lime for brightness. These simple tweaks turn a quick meal into something comforting and restaurant-worthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.